1. The student who arrived yesterday walks rapidly. How does he walk? 2. Mary bought a pair of shoes for $4 plus 20 cents tax. How much did the shoes cost without the tax? 3. Some leaves are missing from this book. What's missing? 4. What does the pipe carry? 5. The sergeant said, "I found him." Who was found? 6. What do we call one rotation of the earth? 7. They left the language school in 1968, after they had finished. When did they finish? 8. The commander gave his men a new mission. What did he give them? 9. Tom said, "Sometimes I eat out." Where does Tom sometimes have his meals? 10. The doctor told David to take the medicine twice a day. How often should David take the medicine? 11. Jack said, "The weather varies in Texas." How is the weather? 12. The farmer saw a whirlybird over his field. What did the farmer see? 13. Joe wants to glance at the materials in the store. What does he want to do? 14. Why don't you like the movie? 15. What is a thermostat used for? 16. Why doesn't Mr. Brown like to drive when the road is slippery? 17. Jane likes basketball, but she prefers football. Which does she prefer? 18. The course is difficult, but Harry thinks he will make it. How does Harry feel? 19. When will you wind up the project? 20. It was 60, but I don't know whether it was centigrade or Fahrenheit. What does the number refer to? 21. The machine needs fuel. What does it need? 22. I'm going to check the report. What am I going to do? 23. John will change his shirt. What will he do? 24. If Tom is a polite person, what kind of person is he? 25. If Nancy has a beautiful figure, what is beautiful about her? 26. The plane's crew was very busy during the emergency. 27. It isn't important. Don't mention it to her. 28. The boy must fold his paper. 29. The fog was so thick they could not see. 30. He is willing to travel. 31. Jane and Mary are Mr. Cooper's children. 32. Although Bert wanted a sports car, he bought a sedan. 33. Astronauts undergo years of training. 34. The manager will employ women from the village. 35. We're saving these seats for our friends. 36. Tom is able to come. 37. Don't forget to call her up next week. 38. If you become frightened, don't scream. 39. Our team was composed of 3 people. 40. The tool was wrapped in paper. 41. Mr. Miller knows what the population of New York is. 42. Most accidents take place in heavy traffic. 43. Anna wonders what will happen. 44. You had better get a haircut this week. 45. The truck was washed by the mechanic. 46. When the rain ends, Douglas likes to go walking. 47. The subordinate did not understand the instructions given him. 48. Every 6 months, Mr. Brown takes his car to the mechanic for an inspection. 49. You must find the man at once. 50. The organization set up a training schedule. 51.
Does this bus go to the train station?
No, but I can give you a transfer.
All right, I'll take it.
What will the woman do?
52.
Do you have a cigarette?
No, I gave up smoking.
What did the man say?
53. Can you go to the game?
I suppose so.
What does the woman mean?
54.
Where is your son?
He's getting a book.
What is the man's son getting?
55.
Here is your dinner.
Why is the meat so hot?
What is the best answer to the man's question?
56.
My little boy cut his hand.
It must have hurt very much.
What would the woman say now?
57.
Why are you staying behind that slow car?
The road is too narrow for 2 cars.
What does the man mean?
58. Where is everybody?
Oh, didn't you know? The meeting occurred yesterday.
What did the woman say about the meeting?
59. Why is your son staying home?
Because his clothes aren't ready.
Why is the woman's son staying home?
60. Are you making another cake?
Yes, I'm going to use orange juice instead of milk this time.
What will the woman use in the cake?